1 root of x square plus px plus 12 is 4, while the equation x square plus px plus q is equal to 0 has equal roots. Then the value of q is. Now we have the formula, that is product of roots is equal to c by a. Now if we compare the given quadratic equation with the standard form, we get a is equal to 1, b is equal to p, and c is equal to 12. So product of roots becomes 12 upon 1, that is 12. Now one of the root is given to us as 4. Now if we assume the second root as alpha, then the equation becomes product of roots. So therefore 4 into alpha is equal to 12. So therefore alpha is equal to 3. So now we have the roots as 4 and 3. So sum of roots is equal to 4 plus 3, that is 7. But by definition, it is minus b upon a. So therefore, b is p. So therefore, we get the value as p is equal to minus 7. So therefore, the second equation becomes x square minus 7x plus q is equal to 0. Now this quadratic equation is given as equal roots. We have equal roots when delta is equal to 0. Delta means b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. That means b square should be equal to 4ac. Now, in this quadratic equation, if we compare it to the standard form, we have a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 7, and c is equal to q. So if we substitute these values in this condition, b square, that becomes minus 7 whole square, that is 49, is equal to 4 into a, that is 1, into c, that is q. So therefore, we get the value of q as 49 upon 4. So that is option A.